Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to study the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on the aeroplanes. So in this lecture, we are taking a case when viewing from the tail side. This is tail and this is nose. This is rotor. These are wings. So when viewing from the tail side, rotor is rotating clockwise and aeroplane taking left turn. So aeroplane taking left turn, left turn. So we need to find out the effect of gyroscopic couple on the plane. So this is rotating when viewing from the rear side. This is rotating in clockwise direction. Rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. So now we know that when we view from the rear side, all the rotating parts in rotating in, or we can say the cumulative angular momentum vector would be according to right hand screw rule. If we curl our finger in the clockwise direction, then our thumb will direct in this direction. So this is the direction of angular momentum vector, LS. So when aeroplane will take the left turn, so this we can say this will follow this path, and when aeroplane taken 90-degree turn, then this would be the final position of LS. So we know that the LS or angular momentum vector chase the applied or active gyroscopic couple. So we can say that this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple. This is the direction of active gyroscopic couple. And so if this is the active gyroscopic couple direction, then we can say this is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. This is the reactive gyroscopic couple. If this is the direction, then the sense of rotation, we know that this would be in this direction. Or we can say on the plane, this is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. This is the sense of rotation. So we can say the on the plane the effect would be something like this. This is the tau r. So according to this, the nose of plane will raise. We can say effect would be nose will be raised and tail will be dipped. And this is our action of, this is axis of precession. Axis of precession. So this would be the effect of gyroscopic couple or reactive gyroscopic couple on the plane when rotor is rotating in clockwise direction when viewing from the rear and it's taking left turn. So in the next lecture we'll take the another case and we'll discuss the effect of the gyroscopic couple on aeroplanes. So thank you.